Hey guys, Sunny here. Just wanted to do a quick video on how to import leads into kvCORE. So this is going to be an automated import where you can do it yourself. Basically, the way you get to lead import tool in kvCORE is when you go to your dashboard. On the left hand side, you'll see lead engine. Click on lead engine, and it'll take you to this page right here. Excuse me. And then you have two options here. You can import the leads. You can do it yourself. There is a template that you would need to download once you click on get started. Or my preferred method is, I have a bulk of leads that I'm getting ready to import from some of the ads that I've been running. So I'm gonna choose here, let us handle it. So I'm gonna submit a file. You have to accept their terms. So what this is, essentially what this will do is, once you submit it to them for letting them do it, usually takes about 2 or 3 business days for them to get that imported into your kvCORE. So pre-filled in your information, you're going to select here where it says I'm an agent. You're going to say, hey, these leads belong to me, or you can select multiple agents if you're under a team. Sorry. And then you're going to select the file that you want to import. In this case, I'm going to choose this one. Okay. Right here it says, where are the contacts from? Where are the leads from? So I'm going to say my Facebook ads. Okay. Well, what is your preferred lead status? Right. Currently, you want these to be a new lead. So you're going to click on please import lead as a new lead. Okay, they're brand new leads. They're from my ads. Okay, and then on the second section here it says, do you want to apply hashtags? Yes, I always apply an hashtag. Okay, this here will automatically be put in there for you. Okay, but I assign my personal hashtag. So these 94 leads that I'm importing in the last 2 weeks that I've generated, they're first-time homebuyer ad that I ran. So I'm going to create a new hashtag, or they will once it's imported. Okay, first-time buyer. Okay, down here to automation preferences. Do you want those leads to receive listing alerts? Yes, you always want any lead that's in kvCORE to receive a listing alert, unless they specifically say no, I don't want any listing alerts. And then you turn them off. I'm not sure you guys how to do that if somebody has a question. Okay, number 2 here is, would you like to run lead validation? Yes. What is lead validation? kvCORE does its own background lead validation. It checks their accounts. It checks, make sure that that is their number. Make sure that it's their correct name, first name, last name. It looks up their Facebook profile. There's a lot of other validation that it does in the background, but I don't even know, this should not even be an option to not run a lead validation. The more information you have about your clients or leads, the better off you are. So, number 3 here, do you want these leads to receive smart campaign? Yes, I do. Okay. You can choose the default campaign. Default kvCORE campaigns are already selected in there. Me particularly, I have created a custom campaign. So I'm going to pick and choose my custom campaign. And the last one here is, do you have any questions for us? And I always just say, hey, just let me know when the import is completed. Generally, they'll send an email out and say, hey, thank you, we've imported your leads. So, and that is it, guys. You just submit right here again. Remember, please allow up to 3 business days for their team to do the upload into your account. And then submit import file for processing. And it's done. So very quick, very easy. It's you don't have to do the manual labor. They do it for you. Their team does it for you. Obviously, there's no additional cost to it as well. And you can go and check your new leads in about 2 to 3 days as soon as you get the email, and make sure that the hashtag is applied and that the campaign is applied and that the alerts are turned on. You can check 1 or 2 accounts. You don't need to check all 94 or 250 leads, or how many you upload. Okay. Okay, guys, my name is Sunny. Again, if you guys have any questions, you can call or text me at 972-922-0857. 972-922-0857. I also have a class coming up, kvCORE 101. It was great a couple days ago. Really good turnout. Hoping for more people to show up for my next class. Trent Laurent will announce the next class, which will be it'll be next month, the first week of next month. So we'll keep you updated. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye.